Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription with owner or network contributor role, a VNet and subnet, and a public IP address for the gateway. Once confirmed, open the Azure Portal and search for Virtual Network Gateway. Create a resource in the same region as your VNet. Make sure SKU matches throughput needs. Select VPN type, route-based for most scenarios. After selecting the VNet and public IP, click Create to provision the gateway resource and wait for deployment. Once the gateway is provisioned, you configure the connection. If connecting to an on-prem device, create a local network gateway with your on-prem public IP and address prefixes. If you need client access, configure point-to-site with an address pool and VPN client protocol. Next, create a connection resource, choose the correct type, and enter the shared key. This secures the tunnel. If you require dynamic routing, enable BGP and supply ASN and peer addresses. Save and establish the tunnel. To finish, download the point-to-site VPN client configuration if used, install it, and attempt a client connection. For site-to-site, check your on-prem device logs and Azure Connection Blade to verify the tunnel is succeeded. Once done, validate IP prefixes and routing tables so traffic flows correctly, and test connectivity to resources. If something fails, make sure the shared key, public IPs, address prefixes, and MTU match exactly between sides. Mismatches are the most common issue and usually fix the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.